NVMe PCIe adapters enable high-speed NVMe SSD installation in compatible desktops, improving storage performance and expansion flexibility. My today's video is about top 5 NVMe PCIe adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Sabrent NVMe PCIe adapters. This NVMe PCIe adapter is a convenient solution for upgrading or expanding desktop storage with high-speed M.2 NVMe SSDs. It supports common SSD sizes including 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280, making it compatible with a wide range of drives. Designed for PCIe X16, X8, or X4 physical slots, it provides fast data transfer performance and is ideal for improving storage capabilities. The included aluminum heatsink and thermal pad help dissipate heat efficiently, supporting stable performance during demanding workloads. Installation is straightforward, with a tool-free setup supported by the included screws and screwdriver. The adapter is compatible with Windows 7 with required NVMe hotfixes, Windows 8, 10, 11, and Linux systems, provided the BIOS supports NVMe through PCIe. However, it does not support SATA M.2 drives or PCIe X1 slots. Overall, this adapter is a practical and affordable choice for desktop users seeking faster NVMe storage without replacing their motherboard. Now our second product is Glotron's NVMe PCIe adapters. This PCIe to M.2 adapter is a practical way to add high-speed NVMe storage to desktops without an M.2 slot. It converts a PCIe X4, X8, or X16 slot into an M.2 KEM interface and supports PCIe 4.0 and 3.0 NVMe SSDs compatible with 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 sizes. It has no stated capacity limit, making it suitable for larger 2TB and 4TB drives. The included heatsinks help reduce SSD temperatures by approximately 5 to 20 degrees Celsius for more stable performance. Installation is flexible with both 12 cm standard and 8 cm low-profile brackets. It supports Windows 8, 10, 11, Linux, and macOS, with NVMe boot support depending on the motherboard. However, M.2 SATA drives in PCIe X1 or standard PCI slots are not supported. For PCIe 4.0 X4 speeds, the CPU, motherboard slot, and SSD must all support PCIe 4.0. Overall, it's a useful storage expansion solution with broad compatibility and lifetime technical support. Our third product is Sabrent NVMe PCIe adapters. This Sabrent PCIe to M.2 NVMe adapter is a convenient upgrade for adding fast NVMe storage to compatible desktop systems. Supporting PCIe 5.0 X4, it can deliver transfer speeds up to 16 Gbps bidirectionally while remaining backward compatible with earlier PCIe generations. The adapter supports NVMe M.2 SSDs across 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 form factors, as well as certain older B+ M.2 PCIe SSDs. Its tool-free installation makes mounting an SSD quick and straightforward. A built-in aluminum heatsink and thermal padding help dissipate heat efficiently, reducing the risk of thermal throttling without requiring an additional fan, so operation remains quiet. The X16 connector provides solid physical stability, while compatibility with some X4 and X8 slots adds installation flexibility depending on the system. Before installation, users should ensure the host system supports NVMe. Overall, it's a strong choice for users seeking a simple, cool, and high-performance solution for expanding desktop NVMe storage. Now number 4, eluding NVMe PCIe adapters. This PCIe to M.2 adapter is a practical way to expand desktop storage with fast NVMe SSDs. It supports 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 M.2 NVMe drives with M.2 or B and M.2 interfaces, while supporting PCIe 4.0, 5.0, and earlier generations. The adapter fits PCIe X4, X8, and X16 slots, making it flexible for different desktop configurations. It uses PCIe lanes in the NVMe protocol, with theoretical transfer speeds reaching up to 32 gigabits per second, although actual performance depends on the SSD, interface, and system environment. An aluminum heatsink helps dissipate heat generated during operation, supporting more stable SSD performance and longevity. Solid-state capacitors provide additional voltage regulation for reliable operation. Installation is plug and play on supported systems, with Windows 8 and newer requiring no additional driver. Windows May 7 require an NVMe driver. Note that SATA M.2, PCIe X1, standard PCI, and B-key interfaces are not supported. Overall, it's a useful, high-speed storage expansion solution for compatible PCs. And our last choice is PLS-NCFS-M NVMe PCIe Adapters. This PCIe to M.2 adapter is a practical solution for expanding desktop storage and upgrading systems without a built-in M.2 slot. It converts available PCIe X4 ACX8 or X16 slots into an NVMe M.2 interface and supports PCIe 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0 SSDs. The adapter accommodates common M.2 sizes, including 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280, offering broad compatibility with different NVMe drives. Its plug-and-play design requires no additional drivers, making installation quick and straightforward. A high-quality PCB and gold-plated connectors help provide stable signal transmission, while the included heatsink helps manage SSD temperatures during extended workloads. Mounting screws make the setup convenient, and the compact layout makes good use of an unused PCIe slot. Upgrading to NVMe storage can improve system responsiveness, game loading times, large file transfers, and multitasking performance. Overall, this adapter is a useful and affordable choice for adding fast NVMe storage to compatible desktop motherboards. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.